It figures it would be something like this.
Hey YouTube, this is Dutch Sense. It is 1 a.m. Central Standard Time on February 2nd, 2011. And I've got an alert. I don't know where to take this, so I'm just going to show you. Currently we have a snowstorm happening here in the Midwest, and this is what drew my attention to the radar in the first place. I keep track of it every day anyways, but this is what really got me looking at it. And I noticed some strange curvature in the storm happening above St. Louis, Missouri, which was keeping the snow lingering here for an additional period of time. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you a few things that are happening down south of St. Louis that really are drawing my concern and my attention, and I really would like to get this out to the community for everybody to see. First, the storm is hanging over here over the residential area of St. Louis, which in itself is not too weird, except for when you watch the curvature of the tip of the storm, it almost seems as though it's being dragged in place. Now, I wouldn't normally bring that up to anybody because that would just stand out to me as weird, but it's directly over the residential area of St. Louis. But then I saw something else down here, which was directly over the residential area of Springfield, and I'm talking directly over it. I've got the crosshair directly on it. You can see, precipitation that's occurring only over the residential area. And then if we go north over Kansas City, there's chemtrail activity, large straight lines intersecting with each other. As we know, they do X's in the sky, so to speak. But that's not the most disturbing part of this video. What I have to show you is really, honestly, this truly bothers me, is down here, there's some strange, telltale HAARP signs or lines in the clouds that are appearing. Now, as I zoom in, you're not going to believe where this is happening. Okay, I'm just going to zoom right in. Okay, there's the lines. Zoom in. Zoom in. What do you know? Look what this is right here, folks. This is Beebe, Arkansas, where all the animals died. All right, so there is some strange HAARP activity that's going on down there, and of course directly due west is Fort Smith, and it's experiencing the same kind of flaring that's happening directly north over Springfield, directly over the residential centers. So this to me is a telltale sign of weather modification occurring, and it's definitely not good. I think we can look at this and say, wow, okay, it's happening near Beebe, Arkansas again, on top of the radar flare that happened there directly after the bird kill last month. So here we have it, more radar evidence of some strange goings on down there, and of course this is also, literally right here is the earthquake zone. There are earthquakes that are happening northwest of Beebe, Arkansas by about 40 miles. So let's just zoom back in. Okay, Beebe, Arkansas is right here, and the earthquake activity is happening roughly at the tip of where these lines are occurring. So maybe at Route 95 and 124, you can jump onto U.S. Geological Survey. As a matter of fact, let me just do that while I've got you guys on here, just so I can show you what I'm talking about. You get to see my favorites list. I don't mind that. All right, here we go. Here we go. U.S. map. Let's just zoom in. Zoom in a little more. All right, here's Conway. Here's where the earthquakes are happening, right? Here's all the events that are happening. So let's just, any one of these, let's click on this one here first. All right. You can see it happened January 27th, 2.0 earthquake, directly north of Conway. Now let me go back. South. Right? So directly north of Conway is where the earthquakes are happening, and this is also where the HAARP signature is occurring. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to put two and two together on this one, guys. Seriously. There you go. There you have it. Cheers.